Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify FDIC coverage for cash sweep accounts, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the financial institution managing your cash sweep account. Visit the official FDIC website. Look for the bank find tool on the home page. Enter the name of your financial institution in the search bar. Review the search results to confirm that your bank is FDIC insured. Take note of the institution's FDIC certificate number. Now, check the specific details of your cash sweep account. Contact your bank's customer service for clarification on how the cash sweep operates. Ask whether your cash is swept into multiple accounts at different banks. Confirm that each of those banks is also FDIC insured. Review the terms and conditions of the cash sweep account. Look for information on coverage limits and how they apply. Understand that FDIC insurance covers up to $250,000 per depositor, per insured bank, for each account ownership category. Inquire about joint accounts, trust accounts, or retirement accounts if applicable. Calculate your total deposits across all accounts to ensure you're within the FDIC limits. Consider asking for documentation that outlines FDIC coverage for your specific cash sweep account. If necessary, visit your local bank branch for a face-to-face consultation. Keep copies of all communications regarding your FDIC coverage for your records. Regularly monitor your account and stay updated on any changes to the institution's insurance status. This thorough process will help ensure your cash sweep account is adequately protected under FDIC insurance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.